In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Cadillac Escalade key fob. There are a couple different versions of this device. You might have one that looks just like mine, or there's a version that I believe doesn't have this. It's just a 3-button version. As long as it looks like this, it is the same device, as I mentioned, just a different version. And the battery is the same, the process to open it up is the same. So just follow along with me here, and I promise we'll get a new battery in your device in no time. The only thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries, which you can get online. And I have left a link down in the YouTube description that will take you over to Amazon, where you can get one of these batteries for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested, and then we can begin. The first step is just looking down on the bottom of the device. You can see right along the seam in the plastic, there's a little slot, kind of an opening. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just kind of wiggle it in there until it gets stuck, and then we will twist. Just twist enough to begin to open this, and then I recommend stop doing it in this area because it will get kind of dinged up. What you want to do is put the flathead in that opening that we've just made and twist, and work your way down the side, twisting until it comes apart easily like that. From here, we can just slide the battery up with our thumb. Sometimes it can actually be hard to get over this little rubber wall, so we can actually just knock out the circuit board and just handle this carefully, but slide it out with your thumb. Dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032 battery, and make sure you're putting it with the positive side that has the plus and the text on it. Make sure that positive side is going face up. Just slide that in there, and now we will set this. Find the side that has the rubber component. It's the front of the device. Just drop the circuit board in there with the battery facing up. And now we can put the back of the device right on top, squeeze it back together, and we are done. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come check us out here on YouTube. We've got videos for the devices for pretty much every maker model out there, and you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.